replace the battery of my car's key fob. It's for a Mercedes Benz 2020 Mercedes Benz GLC 300. First, oh my god, I can't see this. I have to open this because I have this fancy covering. Babe, can you hold this? Okay, let's open. Oh my god, it's been a while. Oh my god, how do you open this? There we go. Okay, take off that whole thing. Okay, so there's the key fob. Okay, have to push that button, remove this key, and then what did you do again? You push it like this. Or can I just push it with like this? Ah, there we go. Okay. Then we have to remove this cover. Wow. Okay. And then pull this out. How do we do this? Oh my goodness. Okay, I have to pull this out. I don't have to push it. Okay. Ah, there we go. Okay, there you go. Because I hardly change this. Maybe like every 18 months. I changed it once. So this is the second time I'm changing it. And the kind of battery that we're using is a CR2032. Okay. That's the old, this is the new. Yay. All right. So this is again good for another 18 months to 2 years maybe. Ay, this one. This has to go back. Okay, let's see. Okay, now it's working.